Okay, so Abu Trica is back in court again, and if you've been following this case, you know every appearance comes with a fresh drama. Yesterday, he stepped into the Gbese District Court, and once again, the case did not end, but a lot actually happened. So we're gonna break everything down like how we've been doing it all the time. So don't go anywhere, let's get into it. So yesterday, internet personality Abu Trica, real name Frederick Kumi, appeared before the Gbese District Court as his extradition proceedings resumed. Now, this hearing came after a 2-week adjournment, and many people were expecting either bail or some sort of major breakthrough. But what happened? The court postponed the case again, and this time to February 3rd, 2026. So as we speak now, Abu Trica is still in custody, and the extradition process is still very much alive.
Hey, we find him to you back.
Now, this is the most important update and where things actually get interesting. After the court sitting, Abu Trica's legal team made a separate move. They filed for a fresh bail application at the High Court. So right now, this bail application is not before the Gbese Court. It's now with the High Court. They've moved from the Gbese Court to the High Court itself. And that application is scheduled to be held on January 20th, 2026. So basically, Gbese Court is handling the extradition process, while the High Court will be deciding whether he gets bail or not. Now, the slay queens in Ghana and across the whole wide world are angry, and they are saying a lot of things simply because yesterday Abu Trica's lawyer said something that they didn't like. It's like they chopped stray bullets from Abu Trica's lawyer. Now, after the hearing, Abu Trica's lawyer dropped a statement that shook social media. So this is what Abu Trica's lawyer said that has got the slay queens saying a lot of things on the social media pages. You know, this is what he said. You say you love me, I ask you for money, and you give me. How is this a crime? If this is a romance scam, then arrest all the slay queens. Why? If you are making your statement, just make your statement. Why will you include the slay queens? Why are you sending stray bullets at them? You are making your statement. You are making a statement for your client. You are making a statement for your client. Why will you include the slay queens? Let the slay queens be.
Yeah, you didn't want to say, Okoda. Or Chinabi, America for our Kadawa and former president. You knew she can't, Yanin Boko. Who can mind him? Mamma can mind him now. Now, as some power wasn't there, was Abba wasn't there when you know what's the romance scam. I was new romance scam. Romance wasn't there. Now, Manuel Casanas, I got to me there. And you, yeah, now, actually, my maybe so as my S and them. And sometimes slave is no any offend in you, another what you want. But that there's no offense in that. You baby and what you want, why you have to? Now, the member Ghana had it. What are they? Or for be if Ghana when you're not for baby, them that as a crime, Papuan, or there, oh yeah, offense with Ghana, or some sort of offense with them. So one crime one romance number. Ghana ha me lawyer no nyim za minyim nyina no minyim ni ho go bi se abambra na Ghana offer romance now intimacy one one man hu asam na nwa bi yi onye da American ti na American no so was in ho nda ochina obotu ayo biara.
So all he's trying to say is simple. He's trying to say that if I come to you and I tell you I love you, and then you tell me you love me back, and then I guess to a point it's like I need some financial help. I ask you for the financial help and you help me, like my baby says mami na majiskana. How is that a crime? He doesn't see any reason why Ghana should flag that as a crime, because it is not a crime. These are two people, two parties in love. But what this man doesn't understand is that the work that Abu Trica, the alleged work that Abu Trica was doing with his people, no, it's not real love. It's not real love. It's not as if I love you with my everything and then I'm asking you for money. It's not like that. It's a work that they are doing. This is fraud. Maybe he doesn't understand what fraud is. He doesn't understand. Maybe we have to teach him. Charlie, when that line dropped, Twitter paused for like 3 seconds. Some people were laughing, some got angry, and others said the lawyer was making a social commentary, of course. But legally speaking, the court will still have to decide whether the evidence supports romance fraud, regardless of vibes or emotions. Now, this is where the case stands now. So to be very clear, Abu Trica has not been extradited yet. This case has not been dismissed. Bail has not been granted yet. The next major dates are January 20th, 2026. That's the High Court bail hearing. And then February 3rd, 2026. Continuation of the extradition proceedings. So until then, Abu Trica remains in custody and there's nothing anybody can do about it. So yes, that's the real update from court. No exaggeration, no WhatsApp rumors. What do you think? Is this a legit legal case, or is just a misunderstanding blown out of proportion? Drop your thoughts in the comment section. I go by the name Atankpa Maverick. This is New Tribe Studios, and this particular episode was brought to you by my exams AI. This is an AI learning tool that is able to predict future WASSCE and BECE questions for SHS and JHS students. With the click of a button, you can also have access to all BECE and WASSCE past questions, the written aspect, the OBJs, with GES accredited answers. GES answers, not just any answers, marking scheme answers that you can learn, write, and pass your BECE and WASSCE. So if you want to ace your WASSCE and your BECE, just log on to www.myexamsai and experience the magic by yourself. I'll come at you another time with another interesting gist. I'm out.